Make the most of your workspace with Seville Classics multifunctional and versatile UltraHD height adjustable workbench. Raise and lower the tabletop manually. Requires 2 people, along the 4 telescoping legs, locking it into place with the 4 screw-in locking knobs. The tabletop features a thick heavy-duty hardwood work surface that's sealed with a scratch-resistant coating built with industrial-strength steel. The frame is engineered for strength and durability and is protected with a granite epoxy powder coat. Unit comes with large rubber padded leveling feet for added stability wherever you are. Designed for multifunctional use, the top measures a convenient 4 feet wide and 2 feet long, 48 inches by 24 inches, making it ideal for use in the home. Garages, workshops, offices, laundry rooms, bedrooms and kitchens. Take advantage of the 1,000 pounds load capacity to work with heavy-duty projects or for storing heavyweight items. Combine with other Seville Classics UltraHD products to complete your total organization system. Hardwood 15 inches thick tabletop with scratch-resistant coat. Height adjustable at 1-inch increments with 4 locking knobs. Requires 2 people. Industrial-strength steel frame with granite epoxy powder coat. Includes thick rubber padded leveling feet. Easy assembly. Ideal for commercial, home and office environments. Dimensions: 48 inches width by 24 inches depth x 28.5 inches to 42 inches. Height adjustment type manual. Screw-in locking knobs. Weight capacity 1,000 pounds. Weight 75-90 pounds. Model #UHD 20288B. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Manual height adjustment from 28.5 to 42 inches with screw-in locking knobs. Number 2. Solid hardwood top, 48 inches by 24 inches by 15 inches thick. Number 3. Load capacity supports up to 1,000 pounds. Number 4. Heavy-duty steel frame powder-coated granite gray. Number 5. Easy assembly, ideal for commercial, home and office use. Number 6. Work from home ready. It's perfect for remote workers and freelancers looking to stay active and productive from the comfort of their homes. Adjust from sit to stand with the push of a button for the ultimate ergonomic workspace. Number 7. Boasts a hardwood 1.75 thick tabletop with scratch-resistant coating. It is height adjustable at 1-inch increments. Number 8. Built with industrial-strength steel, the frame is engineered for strength and durability. It is height adjustable from 28.5 to 42 inches with screw-in locking knobs. Number 9. It's perfect for remote workers and freelancers looking to stay active and productive from the comfort of their homes. Adjust from sit to stand with the push of a button for the ultimate ergonomic workspace. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.